Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
All right, so we're gonna take out the front dash panel speakers on this Z28, the old IROC style. I think it's an 84. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take out these top screws right here, and they go all the way across. So we got one there, got another one there. I believe there's another one clear all the way, yep, down there. So we're gonna take those out, and then I believe it should come out. So we'll see what happens. This one right here above the column, you're gonna have to use the right angle because there's no way to get in between the column with the drill. So I'm just gonna use the right angle right here. And then in the top vents right here, you're gonna have 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, 4 screw. So you're gonna have 4 screws up here you're gonna need to remove as well. And just like that, the dash panel will be able to all come out in one piece now. Here's what it looks like after we removed. And here's, you're gonna have a 7mm up there, 7mm there. It also appears that you can go underneath here and take a 7mm out. And underneath here, it could be a screw. Let me look. Looks like a screw. So it looks like there's a screw underneath that you could take out underneath here, and then 2 7mm back there, and this whole thing will come out. I think it'll be a lot easier than trying to get it up here, plus this windshield is tinted, I don't want to hit that. So that's probably what I'm gonna go for. And here's the stock speaker. Looks like it has a tweeter in it. I'm hoping that this is the stock speaker. It does say made in Japan, but that's what it looks like from the factory or factory replacement. All right, we got them mounted in. We did have to drill new holes. Our holes did not match up with the old holes, as you can see. So we drilled holes. It could be just this brand, it could be the way they mount in. I will also put in some links down in the description below. So just look at the underneath this video in the description. You'll see the Amazon links to be able to buy these speakers. You'll be able to just click on the link, buy it, and we'll put all the referrals of probably 5 to 10 brands that we use all the time. So that way you guys can just click on that link, buy the speakers, and get them shipped directly to your house within a day or two, especially if you have Prime. All right, so we got everything mounted in here. We went ahead and put our terminals on the back side. We usually don't use the T-taps anymore. I mean, we used to do that all the time 15, 20 years ago. But now we just use speaker adapters, but we're gonna be using the T-taps on these only because we did not get the speaker adapters in time, and this needs to be done. So everything is wired up on the back side. We got it wired to here, and then we'll plug these into our T-taps into the front. All right, so on your front speaker on the driver's side, you're going to have the gray and the tan. And this is going to be, tan is going to be your positive and gray is going to be your negative. And then on that side, you're going to have a light green and a dark green. The light green is going to be your positive, your dark green is going to be your negative. They're all GM standard colors they had in the 80s and 90s. So that's how this is going to go. We're going to plug our T-taps into here, and then we're going to bolt that bracket back down in. Everything's all installed. We went ahead and zip tied it to here so that way this won't jiggle around. Everything's all in there nice and clean.